Welcome back to Creation Doi. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but creative method to repair broken plastic using everyday materials you can easily find at home. Let's get started. Step 1. Clean the edges of the broken plastic. These edges are often sharp and uneven, so use a cutter to trim them and make the surface smoother and safer for the repair process. After trimming is done, move on to step 2. Prepare some duct tape or regular tape to cover the broken part of the plastic and seal it from the outside. Which country are you watching this video from? Write it down in the comments to let me know. I'm really happy that we can connect with each other from all around the world. Step 3. Prepare some styrofoam, which is easy to find, and a tube of super glue. The styrofoam will act as a filler for the broken plastic. Cut the styrofoam into small pieces and add drops of super glue. The styrofoam will instantly melt, creating a thick mixture. Apply this directly to the cracked area of the plastic. This method works as a powerful alternative to putty because the combination of styrofoam and super glue hardens perfectly. It creates a strong seal, making it ideal for repairing broken plastic parts. Once the glue has dried, the patch will become very solid. After that, remove the tape you applied to the outside of the plastic. After removing the tape, you can see the result of the patch. It looks pretty good and neat, but there are still some small pores on the repaired area. Instead of buying putty, you can use a simple material that's easy to find at home: coffee grounds. Mix the coffee grounds with super glue and apply it to fill the pores on the outside of the styrofoam patch. This combination creates a very strong bond, making it perfect for repairing your broken plastic items. Finally, smooth out the patched area using a cutter and sandpaper. This will make the surface more even and give the repair a cleaner, better finish. After sanding, clean off any remaining dust on the plastic. The final step is to paint the repaired area to match its original color. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and join our community. We'll continue to share many creative and useful ideas that you can apply in your daily life. Take a look at the result. This plastic part that was once broken and unusable is now smooth and functional again. With this simple method, you save money by not having to buy a new motorcycle fender, and instead, repair it using easy-to-find materials at home. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like to keep us motivated in creating even more creative ideas. See you in the next creation DIY video.